Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make bread from juice pulp. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, put flax seeds, chia and sunflower seeds into a bowl. All of them, of course, soaked. We also add juice pulp. I will use carrot pulp. We will blend everything together. Add an onion, dice it, and put into the bowl. Add a clove of garlic, also diced. A tomato. Cubes don't have to be small, because we will mix everything with each other again until we achieve a smooth mass. Now we add spices. I will use turmeric, chlorella, sweet pepper, and salt. We mix everything together. Now, when the mass is already mixed, put it on a baking paper, which we will put into the dehydrator. We spread the mass, and if we want, we can now divide our bread into squares, so it will be easier for us to eat it after drying. Second option to use the pulp is to mix the sunflower, chia, flax seeds and carrot pulp, but this time only mix the mass with a spoon. Now we add finely chopped tomato, an onion, also finely chopped, We will also add mushrooms. We also need to cut them into small cubes. Time for spices: turmeric, chlorella, sweet pepper, and salt. We mix everything precisely. As before, we put our mass on the baking paper and spread it. If we use a form with the sides raised, it is best to move the mass away from its edges. We fill the entire dehydrator and leave our bread to dry. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can dry it on a windowsill, over a radiator, or outside and simply put it on the sun for drying. Bon appetit!